In the kit, you will find a user manual, PCR reaction solution, dissolving solution, PCR reaction buffer, positive quality control, and negative quality control. Liquefy the PCR reaction solution with 392 microliter of dissolving solution. Vortex to fully dissolve the PCR reaction solution powder. Take an Eppendorf tube and label as mix. We have 3 samples, so add 56 microliter of PCR reaction solution. And 24 microliter of PCR reaction buffer to the mix tube. Close lid and slightly vortex to mix. Centrifuge the positive and negative quality control to let powder settle, as there is little amount. Add 200 microliter of dissolving solution to each quality control tube to liquefy powder. Slightly vortex to fully dissolve powder. Centrifuge to let liquid settle. Prepare 3 PCR mini cartridges and place on ice box. Add 20 microliter of the previously prepared PCR solution from the mix tube to each of the 3 PCR mini cartridges. Add 5 microliters of sample or negative quality control or positive quality control into the PCR mini cartridges. Close lid of PCR mini cartridges tightly and label. Briefly centrifuge to let liquid settle into the reaction chamber of the PCR mini cartridge. Place PCR mini cartridges into the slots of Foscycler T8. Note: this video is for referencing only. Open the computer software and set up test as PCR test. Set up PCR amplification program according to the instructions in the user manual. Click Set up New Experiment and select channels to be run. Click Start Amplification and the machine will start to run. Real-time fluorescence signals will appear. These selected slots will light up to indicate that the corresponding channels are running. After running the program, we can analyze experimental data. By selecting the corresponding slots, the amplification curve will show up. Tellgen Corporation. Deeper understanding of life.